Mince the garlic cloves. Chop the onion. Set a pan on a medium heat. Add cooking oil. Immediately add garlic. Sauté until light golden brown. Add the onion. Sauté until translucent. Add the ground beef. Break the meat apart. Add 2 teaspoon garlic powder. Add 2 teaspoon onion powder. Add 2 teaspoon dried oregano. Add 4 teaspoon ground cumin. Add 1 teaspoon paprika. Add 2 teaspoon salt. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Stir and cook the beef until it turns light brown. Add 1/2 cup water and 4 tablespoon tomato paste. Stir. Cover and simmer on low-medium heat for 30 minutes. Ground beef is ready for the taco. Turn off the heat. For toppings, shred some iceberg lettuce. Chop some cilantro. Chop some onion. Chop some tomatoes. Get your preferred taco, shell or soft. Your fave sour cream. Mexican cheese. Taco sauce. Assemble the taco beef first. Add in the onion and tomatoes. These lettuce, cilantro, sour cream, and lastly the taco sauce. Time to eat. Thank you for watching.